For this video, I'm going to introduce my Swift and my ball winder. I have already stretched my hank around this Swift. It's sort of like the interior of an umbrella without the part that would keep you dry. And the ball winder is attached to my kitchen table right next to it. And I am going around the outside of the hank, removing the ties that hold all the strands together. I generally pull the knot away and trim the knot so I don't accidentally cut an end. I am then going to wrap it around the ball winder with the tag in the middle. And I do this so that it's easy for me to find the end again. But it also keeps the tag with the cake of yarn so I know what it is, because I cannot say that I'm instantly ready to start using my yarn. But I wrap the tag around the post, start the cake, and then start winding. And now we're going to speed this up because nobody wants to see me unhank yarn and ball yarn real time. That's boring. Nobody wants that. I do find it strangely satisfying to ball or cake a hank, but it is also very useful because as I crochet and knit, if it's still in a hank or in a skein that isn't pulling neatly, it becomes frustrating and makes the work slower. So this is one of the ways I help make my work more efficient, is I cake all my yarn before I start using it. And here you can see that Swift is actually spinning pretty quickly as it goes around. That was not real-time speed, that was extra fast. Now I've tucked in the tail of yarn and the outside and the pull off the post. And here's a beautiful cake. Real time to cake this hank was about 8.5 minutes. I've just cut the video.